Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every week, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking. We love it when you comment on each other's thinking.
Yeah, I enjoy scrolling through those and just a smile. Okay, so this Wednesday, our math problem was 49% of 25. And we're curious, how will you solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve however you'd like, and then come on back to hear how we solve the problem. The problem is 49% of 25.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm going to use the commutative property.
Okie doke.
Of multiplication. And so I'm going to think about 49% of 25 as 25% of 49. But to think about 25% or a fourth, 1/4 of 49, I'm going to think about a fourth of 48.
Okay.
So a fourth of 48, I believe, is 12 because 4 times 12. Is that right? Fourth of 48.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, is 12. I had to think about that. I'm thinking I'm a little tired today. So if a fourth of 48 is 12, I still need a fourth of one more. And a fourth of 1 is a fourth, or 0.25. And so then I would add those two together, and I would get 12 and a quarter, 12.25.
Nice.
What you got?
Well, last week I wanted to do over, and I didn't. So I'm going to do over this time. And so instead of thinking about 49% of 25, I'm going to think about 50% of 25.
Okay.
And 50% of 25 is 12.5.
Sure enough.
And then I'm going to do 1% of 25. And 100% of 25 is 25. So 10% is 2.5. So 1% is 0.25, which makes me think of a quarter.
Mm-hmm.
So 50% was like $12.50. 1% is like a quarter. So $12.50 minus a quarter is 12.25.
Bam.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Very good. All right.
All right. We can't wait to see what you guys do every single week on the podcast on Math Strat Chat. Let us know how you think about the problems. And while you're there, comment on in each other's strategies. Super
We love
fun.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
We post the problems on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Central Time. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement because math is figure-outable. Thank you for listening and making math more figure-outable. If you missed it, registration is currently open for our Building Powerful Mathematics workshops.
Registration only opens 3 times a year. In these workshops is where you will find and learn all the things that you need to make math more figure-outable. Find details at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Hey, K-12 educators, we have a workshop for you. Build your numeracy, build your mathematics, learn the teacher moves, equip yourself with the knowledge you need to have students naturally engaged in their learning. No matter what grade level you teach, we have a targeted workshop for you.
And you can find the best workshop for you at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Let's change the world together and make math more and more figure-outable.